Dimethyl sulfoxide, short for DMSO, is actually a special natural compound that can pass through your skin and go deep into your body's tissue. Now think of it like a super carrier that can transport nutrients where they need to go. So while doctors use it in hospitals, most people don't know about its actual amazing benefits. And when combined with the right vitamins and minerals, it can really help your heart and blood vessels stay healthy. So what makes DMSO so special? First, it's like a powerful shield that protects your cells from being damaged. It can actually slip through the outer layer of your cells easily, bringing in helpful nutrients with it. And DMSO also helps your blood vessels relax and open up, which means better blood flow throughout your body. Plus, it does have a calming effect on inflammation, kind of like a natural ice pack working from the inside out. And when you put all these benefits together, you get something that can really help keep your heart and blood vessels in good shape as long as you use it the right way. Now, to make this protocol work properly, you'll need a few basic but important items. So start with high quality DMSO that's 99.9% pure. Now, so think of this as medical grade quality. You'll also need distilled water for mixing, and it's really important to only use dark glass bottles to store your mixture. No plastic, of course. Now, for applying and mixing, you'll want glass droppers and either wooden or glass stirring tools. Never use metal or plastic tools. Along with the DMSO, you'll need some specific supplements that work together. For example, coenzyme Q10 in the ubiquinol form of 200 milligrams, vitamin K2, MK7, 500 micrograms, vitamin D3 of 10,000 units, and 2 forms of magnesium. One you take as a pill, such as magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams, and another that you put on your skin as an oil. So think of these supplements as a team. They all work together to help your body get the best results. Now here's a simple explanation of the daily protocol routine. So let's start with your morning routine. For example, between 7 and 8 a.m. have a light, clean breakfast, nothing too heavy. Skip your morning coffee or tea until after your first treatment, and make sure to drink plenty of clean water throughout the day. So the main part of your protocol happens in the evening around dinner time, 6 to 7 p.m. Take your main supplements with your biggest, fattiest meal of the day. This includes your coenzyme Q10 of 200 milligrams, vitamin K2 of 500 micrograms, and vitamin D3 of 10,000 IU. And make sure to include healthy fats with this meal. Things like avocado, olive oil, fatty fish, or even grass-fed beef to help your body absorb these supplements better and give your body about 1 to about 2 hours to digest and absorb everything. Now around 8 or 9 p.m. it's time to prepare your DMSO mixture. In a glass container, remember, never use plastic or metal. Mix your DMSO and distilled water. The ratio should be 70% DMSO and 30% water. Let it sit for 2 minutes at room temperature. So now for the application process. So first, wash the area you're treating with unscented soap and dry it completely with a clean towel. Apply your magnesium oil first, wait 10 minutes, then pat the area completely dry. Now you can apply your DMSO mixture using clean, dry hands, gently rubbing it with light circular motion, and give it 30 minutes to fully absorb properly. Finally, before bed around 10 p.m., take your magnesium glycinate, which is 400 milligrams, with a small amount of water, and just make sure it's been at least 2 hours since you applied the DMSO. So think of this routine like a carefully timed dance. Each step has its purpose, and proper timing is key for best results. Here's a simple explanation of what to avoid and how to store your DMSO. So let's talk about what you should never mix with DMSO. So think of this as your avoid at all cost list. Never wear metal jewelry when applying DMSO. Don't use latex gloves or let it touch synthetic fabrics. And keep it away from any commercial creams or regular soaps. Most importantly, never store it in a plastic containers or mix it with anything if you're not sure what's in it. DMSO is like a super carrier. It can pull these materials right through your skin, which you definitely don't want. Now for storage, DMSO needs special care, kind of like storing a fine wine. Dark glass bottle, never plastic, and store it at normal room temperature in a clean, dry place where it won't get any direct sunlight. And make sure the bottle is sealed tight. This stuff is powerful and needs to be properly contained. Now here's a simple explanation of what to expect during your DMSO journey. So during your first couple of weeks, you'll likely notice some early changes. Your circulation should start improving. You might feel warmer or notice better blood flow. Don't be surprised if you experience some mild detox symptoms. This is just your body's adjusting. And many people notice they have more energy than usual. So as you move into weeks 3 and 4, things really start picking up. Your body gets better at absorbing nutrients, and you might notice your skin looking and feeling different. Your circulation continues to improve, which means better blood flow throughout your body. By the time you hit the 2 months mark and beyond, you're seeing the long-term benefits. Your body gets better at managing calcium, putting it where it belongs in your bones rather than your arteries. Your tissues should be healthier overall, and your circulation reaches its optimal level. So think of it like a renovating project. The first weeks are the demolition and cleanup. The next few weeks are laying the foundation. And after 2 months, you're really seeing the finished products take shape. And remember, everyone's body is different, so you might notice these changes at slightly different times, but this is the general timeline most people experience. So here's another simple explanation of the key tips for getting the best results with DMSO. So first, let's talk about quality. So this is really important. So think of it like cooking. You want the best ingredients for the best results. Only use pharmaceutical grade DMSO. That's the medical quality stuff. Get your supplements from trusted manufacturers and make sure you store everything properly. It's like keeping your food fresh in the right containers at the right temperature. Now when it comes to applying DMSO, think start low and go slow. Always do a small test batch first, just like you would with a new skin cream. Start with just once a day and pay attention to how your body reacts. Keep the area where you apply it super clean. Now Duke is barking. Let's give him a second here. Sorry, going back. So keep the area where you apply it super clean and only use glass or wooden tools. No metal or plastic. It's like following a recipe. You want to follow the instructions carefully for the best results. And finally, think of this as a lifestyle change, not just a treatment. Keep your schedule consistent, same times each day, like setting an alarm. Write down how you're doing and any changes you notice. It's like keeping a diary of your progress. Drink plenty of water, eat healthy foods, and make sure you're getting enough rest. All these things work together like a pieces of puzzle to help you get the best results. Success with DMSO isn't just about the treatment itself, it's about supporting your body's natural healing process in every way you can. Some common mistakes to actually avoid. Now let's talk about the big mistakes people often make with DMSO. So think of these as your what not to do list. Using the wrong strength of DMSO is like using too much or too little seasoning in cooking. It just won't work right. Don't mix it with anything unless you're absolutely sure it's safe, and always apply it to clean skin. Never store it in plastic containers. That's a big no-no. Also, timing is everything. take your supplements with food when directed and follow the schedule carefully. It's like baking a cake. If you miss steps or get the timing wrong, you won't get the results you want. Now, for the good news, what you can expect when you do everything right, when you follow this protocol properly, it's like giving your body a complete tune-up. Your circulation should improve significantly, like upgrading your body's highway system. Your body will get better at putting calcium where it belongs, in your bones, not your arteries. Your tissues should become healthier overall, and your entire cardiovascular system, that's your heart and blood vessels, should work better as a team. So the key is being patient and consistent. It's not a quick fix, but rather a journey to better health. Think of it like tending a garden. If you do everything right and give it time, you will see the results you're looking for.